TV.
Okay.
All right, this is called the Bear Fold. It's Love Bear. Love Bear. Folded card stamp and die kit. You're getting 10 stamps. You're getting 2 of the dies on the card. Guys, again, very, very limited. Brand new. So you're seeing it for the first time.
Oh, and you know what we didn't mention? All of the items I'm showing everyone today is all exclusive. I designed it just for HSN.
No
just
kidding.
for HSN,
So we can't
I designed
even
it.
get it
Yes.
on your website, huh?
No. It's only for HSN. So all my peeps are going crazy. So here we go. What do you get? This is a fold it. A fold it is a shaped card. Now, I'm going to show you how dang easy this is to do because everybody kind of goes, oh, Stephanie, that's so cute, but I don't know how to do that. Well, I'm all about easy and wowing everybody. So you're going to take a piece of 8.5 by 11. This is the hard part. Ready? Hold on. You're going to fold it in half. Boom. That's the hardest part. Okay. Now, on the back of this die, on my folded dies, on the back, it says place fold here. And let's find a camera so maybe we can see this. It says place fold here. We're getting closer. Look at that. We're doing it. We're doing it. It says place fold here. And then if you want a side fold, it says place fold here. So here is my folded card. My folded piece. I'm going to take this die and I'm going to run this through my die cut machine with the fold under where it says place fold here. I'm going to run that through my die cut machine, regular standard 6-inch machine. Then I'm going to get something that looks like this. Now that doesn't look great because his head's cut off. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through again, normal. Right? Just run it through again, and I'm going to get the perfect one. So I'm literally just going to add some adhesive, drop that on top. Now I have my cute little bear, right? There he is. And then I'm going to decorate him. So the inside die has all the pieces you need to decorate the cute little love. You can do the little heart. Now, his hands, or this girl's hands, a bear's hands, open. So they die cut so you can put something in her hands. So for example,
like right here on this die here.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So that's the little eyes I'm seeing there.
Extra eyes. I added extra eyes.
This all cuts out if you wanted to?
Yes. Yes. So you know what,
so
Suzanne,
cool.
and I think one thing that is really important to mention is I'm the designer. I design all of this, but I'm also the end user. I make these cards. I make what I want. I'm like, I want a little bear that can hold something. So here we have him holding the heart. Or you can add a cute little cookie. Or you could add a cute little sign. Have a very good day. Oh, again, you get stamps with this too, by the way.
Oh, you get all and look at the font on the stamps, guys. I know we're flying through a lot of stuff, but I want you guys to see this because also, Steph, I love your back so much because your fonts are always so adorable and so cute. So there's all the stamps. Remember, this cuts out all the little pieces and the bear itself. So even though a lot of times when you see dies, you think they have to see all the little pieces, separate dies.
Right.
But this will actually do the little arms and do all that stuff, right? I'm just double checking.
It's die cutting everything, and you're just gonna there's gonna have little chads, so you're just gonna trim those little tiny spots so it doesn't fall apart 100%. So you're just gonna trim those little things. Yeah. Now we also have these cute. Now we're going a little further here, right? Here I have one that stands up, totally cute. But look at this. Look at this cute little head. He's just peeking out to say hello, right? Big hugs to you. Or what about this one? Peeking. Look at that. Look at that.
And,
isn't that adorable?
I would stick some googly. Oh, is that googly eye? I love googly eyes. I would stick some googly eyes on there.
Isn't
no
that
doubt.
cute?
I love a good googly eye.
Yes. And then look, here it is on a 5x7, holding a present. So for a gift, a present, celebrate. That's using our stamps coming up next. But look how cute that is. And then, well, let's just use just the stamps. What if you use just the words and make your own background? Look how cute that is. Add a couple little flowers on there. Boom. Now, are you ready for the next one? Sure. On a 5x7. Look at how cute that little bear is coming out of that pocket. Is that adorable or what? So our little bear can hold a heart. It can hold a cute little sign. It can hold a fun present. Lots of different ways. Here we have, that one is probably one of my favorites. Then here's another one. So all of these are literally the same exact die, but just done completely differently. And they all look a little tiny different. So I'm wild about you with the cute little tie-dye. This one also pops up. That's great. Look at that. So you can make them easel cards. You can also make them treat bags. You can put them on banners. I got to give an update, girl, because I know how many we started with. We started with 600. We've sold 400 and some change. So this one's going to be gone as well. Yes. And I got to God bless my crew because they ran like 10 miles to go get us the coffee card. Oh, no, the treat card. The treat card. Okay, so I got it. The coffee card is card maker's gone. Is it gone?
So
well, the price
coffee
is just like insane.
It's like, you can grab this.